official #1 ranking on the line. The Arizona Wildcats welcome the UNLV Runnin' Rebels to Pop McKale's house for another version of the Whiteout. For the Wildcats, an opportunity that doesn't come along very often. Arizona entering the game at 8-0. And where they win today, would no doubt become the #1 team in the nation. Gordon will feed it. Karczewski, he'll jam it home.
You have to love Aaron Gordon's ability to get the rebound and push it up
into
the
lane. Jump hook is good. Grabbed underneath by Hollis-Jefferson, who lays it in.
Thank goodness for Rondé.
Driving the other way, McConnell all the way to the bucket, and he'll lay it in with his left hand.
DJ over the course of the year is going to have to be a threat offensively.
Jefferson inside, Ashley laid up and good.
I love the offensive flow there. Double team in the block. Squares up, shoots the three. I think they'll give him 2. His foot was on the line. 2 points for Ashley. Right side, Jefferson puts it on the floor. Stops underneath. Karczewski jam it home. Nice. All batted away by Jefferson. Grab by the Wildcats ahead to Aaron Gordon. Slam it home with 2 hands. Freshman to freshman. Highlight dunk for Aaron Gordon.
Get it to Ashley. Posted up right of the lane. To Gordon. Slam dunk. Ball to McConnell. Backdoor cut. There's Nick Johnson in the lane.
That's good offense.
And the outlet is stolen by McConnell to the bucket, and it's good. McConnell finds Hollis-Jefferson. To the basket. Slammed out of bounds by Aaron Gordon. McConnell shovels. Ashley down the lane. Arizona goes to 9-0. Wow, what a game.
Hard-fought victory. Arizona grinds it out.
So the Wildcats will stake their claim to #1 in the country. It was not easy today. Somehow you had the feeling it wouldn't be easy. Arizona 63, UNLV 58. That's the final.